Well, happy hump day to everyone out there. I'm meteorologist Matt Willoughby, and we got still some sunny skies out there for today and even into tomorrow, but we're going to warm up nicely. That sunset for tonight just around 5:20, so we're going to continue to see earlier and earlier sunset times. We got beautiful blue skies right now, so make sure you get out and enjoy it throughout today and even as we go into tomorrow. So going to be overall a beautiful day. Looking at those current feel-like temperatures right now, just into the mid-50s across Ohio, 56 in Toledo, 52 in Saginaw, pretty much out in the Chicago, even Fort Wayne, just into the mid to upper 50s. A little bit warmer if you're heading out to St. Louis, even up into Minneapolis, where they're just around 54 degrees. As we take a look around the weather on the U.S., well, not so much busy, at least in the eastern portion of the United States, but out in pretty much the west area. Well, they're dealing with snowstorms all into Montana, Idaho, and even into Helena, where they've seen just about around 7.5 inches of snow since Sunday, that is. Just in the last couple of hours, at least the last 24 hours, they've seen just around 2 inches of snowfall. Dropping back down into the Utah area, where they've seen just around about 4.5 inches of snow in that area as well. So we don't have to worry about snow in our area just yet, but just into northern Michigan, seeing some showers roll through into the UP, even into Canada as well, just in the North Bay, into Alpena as well. As we drop down into Florida, that's the area to watch out for as you go throughout the next couple of hours, at least the next 24 hours, as we'll likely see Tropical Storm Nicole eventually strengthen into a hurricane, possibly tonight, even possibly by this afternoon. Those wind speeds coming in right now along the Atlantic coast of Florida, just around 40 miles per hour in West Palm Beach, all the way up into Daytona Beach. They're seeing 40 mile per hour wind gusts in Melbourne, just around 48 mile per hour wind gusts. So starting to get a little windy as Tropical Storm Nicole approaches. So that track right now expected to become a Cat 1 hurricane, but at least Wednesday at 7 p.m. tonight, those max sustained winds just around 75 miles per hour. It pretty much will go up into the Florida coast and eventually making its way back out into the Georgia area, where it could likely bring some rainfall into the Georgia area this weekend. So plan out for you through that hour-by-hour forecast. We'll start this off just around 11 a.m. for Wednesday. As we head into Wednesday night, that's when we could likely see that closer impact to land. So some of those outer bands could likely cause some rain problems, even some flood problems as we go into Wednesday night. But this will be a key time because we could likely see rain, at least landfall very early on Thursday morning, possibly around 4 a.m. And of course, that will be when everything is dark. So it'll be hard to see out there for those Florida residents, as landfall could likely be just around 4 a.m. on Thursday. So it could cause anywhere from some heavy downpour, even up to wind gusts, and even anywhere from 3 to 6 storm surge as we go throughout Thursday and even into Thursday afternoon. Well, it's going to be a pretty quickly moving storm. By Thursday around 5 p.m., parts of the storm will even be into the Gulf of Mexico around the Panama City, and even seeing some of those outer bands just into the Atlanta area. It eventually will make its way more up north, where it could likely bring some rain showers to our area as we head into this weekend, possibly just around the eastern portions of northwest Ohio, where it could likely bring a few showers to our area. But eventually, it'll start to ride up to the east coast, just into the New York area as a post-tropical cyclone. Looking at the next 4 days, we'll warm up even more as we head into Thursday and into Friday. We'll be actually very warm by Friday, around 74 degrees, or at least until Saturday. We'll start to see that cold front roll through our area and collect to see the lower 40s as we head into Saturday and even into Sunday. Looking at those rain chances, at least over the next 7 days, we'll be a bit drier than usual. We'll collect to see a few rain chances for Friday into early Saturday, so we collect to see a few flurries out there. But the rest of the week as well into Sunday, Monday, and possibly into Tuesday, we can see nice and at least cold, dry conditions for us as we head into next week. As far as the next few days, we'll still stay warm and dry for today and even into tomorrow. As we head into Sunday, that's when, or even Saturday, that's when we could see some cooler temperatures out there for us as we head into the weekend. And speaking of that temperature trend, we'll at least be around 69 for highs today. As we head into Thursday, we'll jump up just into the mid-70s. Could likely be the last time we see the 70s as we head into the middle part of November. Heading into Friday, we'll be around 66 degrees. After that, we take a plummet with those temperatures. Saturday, Sunday, Even into Monday, we'll only hit the lower 40s. Possibly about Wednesday and Thursday, we could only see the upper 30s for highs as we go into next week. So those cold weather temperatures are going to continue to move our area, and eventually we'll start to see more seasonal fall weather as we head into next week. As we look at our extended forecast, we still stay dry for Wednesday and Thursday. Friday will be the chance to look out for, as we could like to see some showers just east of our area. Saturday, well, we can't rule out the chance of some flurries out there for Saturday, as those temperatures drop off nicely going to Saturday and Sunday, just into the lower 40s as we head into Monday, Tuesday. We could like to see a rain-snow mix, possibly a wintry mix, as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, as those temperatures drop off into the upper 30s for highs on Wednesday, Thursday. So that cold weather is on its way, and it'll eventually come to our area as we head into next week. And as always, you can download that WTOL 11 weather app to stay up to date with that interactive radar, hour-by-hour breakdown, and even that extended forecast to see when that cold weather is on the way for next week. I'm meteorologist Matt Willoughby. Thanks for watching.